Welcome and thanks for joining me today. I'm sure you would all agree that customer service is essential to the success of any business. Organizations today need to keep innovating or be at risk of being disrupted. Customers of ours understand that having the ability to deliver transformational, omni-channel experiences to their customers is absolutely essential to giving them a competitive edge. My name is Sumit Patel, and I'm an enterprise solutions architect with AWS. And today, I will show you how, with Amazon Connect and machine learning services on AWS, such as Amazon Lex, Transcribe, and Comprehend, you can build innovative customer experiences. Today, I'll start with an overview of machine learning services on AWS that we will be integrating into Amazon Connect. We will begin to build out a pipeline that will grow starting from a simple chatbot to a contact center powered with Amazon Connect, and then integrated with machine learning services on AWS. We will be able to take advantage of Lex's automatic speech recognition and natural language understanding capabilities to create great self-service experiences for your customers and gain valuable insight with the help of Amazon Transcribe and Comprehend. So, why should we build innovative chatbots or contact centers? Why is it important? Well, research has shown that, for example, leaving customers hanging on the phone or transferring them from agent to agent results in a very high percentage of them switching providers. Also, a Deloitte survey found that ease of use plus accurate and high quality interactions were essential to customers when they called in. Now, this shouldn't be a surprise as we face these challenges due to the complexity of these legacy systems and difficulty in making changes to meet customer requirements. So in this session, I will show you how you can quickly leverage a few AWS services to build a very powerful and comprehensive omni-channel customer experience. So let's start off by talking about Amazon Lex. Lex is a service for building conversational interfaces using voice and text. It's powered by the same deep learning technology as Alexa. It's a multi-platform service in that you can build your chatbot once and integrate that same chatbot with multiple messaging platforms such as Twilio SMS, Facebook, and Slack. And of course, you can use it right away within your contact flows in Amazon Connect to provide natural language understanding experiences in your contact center. It's designed for builders with efficient and intuitive tools to build conversational interfaces. And it's enterprise ready, meaning it's fully scalable and has versioning and alias support. It has a continuous learning model that enables you to monitor and improve your chatbot by seeing missed and matched utterances to your intents. All right. So before I show you a demo and how Lex works, let's quickly go over the use case that we'll be covering today and actually building out as part of the demo. So we have a transportation company called Acme Limited that is after a self-service, cloud-based chatbot and contact center for their customers to use for scheduling pickups. They require the ability for their customers to be able to schedule, change, and check status on their pickups. They would like customers to be able to also provide their feedback. Let me now show you a demo of a mobile chatbot that I built with Amazon Lex and Amazon Polly, which is our text-to-voice service. Following that, we will jump into the AWS console and show you how it was configured. All right, so I've built a mobile app and named it Lex Sample. It allows me to either use text or speak into it, which is powered by Amazon Polly. So let's start with text and schedule a pickup. So I'll say I would like to schedule a pickup. Put in my name. And I'll just use a phone number. Now, for the day, I'll just say next Monday. As you can see, for the dates, I can just say next Monday and it will understand what date that is. Great. So now I have my scheduled pickup and my details in the system. Let's now check the details of the pickup I just booked via text, but this time we will use voice. Check my pickup.
What is your phone number?
123799.
Bob Smith, your item is scheduled for pickup on January 14, 2019 at 1600 hours. Please be home then.
Great. So it did a data dip into my database and picked up my newly booked pickup details. Let's now go into the Lex console and see how this was set up. So here is the Lex console. A Lex chatbot is built with intents and utterances. An intent is what tells the Lex chatbot what somebody wants to do. So in our case, an intent would be to change, schedule, check, or leave feedback. And inside each intent, we have utterances where we would state what types of things somebody wants to do might say. We can add a further one for schedule pickup to I would like to schedule a pickup. Now, the great thing with Amazon Lex is that you give it just a few utterances, and there's an AI model behind all of this that helps to understand other similar things. As you can see here, there are many built-in slot types that we can use out of the box. So for our use case today, we would like to also store the time that they prefer for the pickup when they call in. So we'll add time, we'll add the slot type to be Amazon time, and our prompt will be, what time would you prefer to schedule this pickup? Now, slot types can either be required or not for an intent to be fulfilled. So for our use case today, we require all our slots fulfilled. That is, we require the name, date, time, and phone number for our customers. So let's select required. We now have our utterances and slots built out. However, we'd like to store our customers' responses in a database. So I've gone ahead and created a simple Lambda function and created a DynamoDB table in the backend to store my bookings. Okay, great. We now have our schedule pickup intent complete. We will build and publish our bot. So I'll hit build, and then we'll publish it, and I'll choose the alias demo, which is the version that I created earlier, and publish it to that. Amazon Connect is our cloud-based contact center solution that can scale to meet any business needs. It is the same cloud-based solution that powers Amazon.com contact centers. Now, Amazon has over 70,000 agents servicing their customers in multiple languages and in 30 different countries. Traditional contact centers are typically complex and very expensive to run, requiring experts to set up and maintain. Amazon required a solution that was not only able to scale, but was able to easily integrate with existing systems, but is also secure and cost-effective. Amazon Connect lets you set up a cloud-based contact center in minutes. You create your contact center, design your contact flows, and onboard your agents using a modern interface that is entirely web-based. The great advantage of cloud-based contact center is that there is no need to deploy hardware or telecom infrastructure. It's designed to be fully self-service, and that you can log into your AWS management console, click on Amazon Connect, follow a few steps on a wizard, and in about 5 minutes have a full contact center stack ready to use. So let's jump into the AWS console and show you this. So we will find Amazon Connect in the AWS Management Console under Customer Engagement and click Get Started. Setting up a Connect instance takes only a few minutes and is done in 5 easy steps. Amazon Connect can integrate with your AD platform, but for our example today, we'll let Amazon Connect actually be our management portal. We'll hit skip on creating an administrator and use the built-in one. We'll allow for both incoming and outbound calls. We'll leave the defaults for our data storage to S3. All the settings are done. All right, let's click Create. So our Amazon Connect instance is now created. Let's now configure it. Firstly, we need to hit Let's Go and get a phone number assigned. So we'll choose a US number. We'll hit next. So this is the Amazon Connect control panel, which is essentially the soft phone that agents would use here to communicate with customers. So I have my phone number assigned, and at this point, I have a fully functional contact center that I can actually dial into. Amazon Connect enables your business to offer dynamic, personal, and natural customer experiences using our easy-to-use contact flow editor. So let's go back and show you the contact flow that I have set up for our transportation company, Acme Limited. So here's the flow for our pickup company. I'm starting off from the top left by recording all incoming calls. Then I'm triggering a Lambda function so that if I have called in previously and booked the pickup, it'll look up my incoming phone number and then provide me a personalized greeting by using my name. Else, it would skip and simply give a generalized greeting. Following that, both the new and existing customers will get to this block called Get Customer Input. Let's open it up. So we have our Lex bot name, which is pickup service, as you can see at the bottom here. And then we have our intents, schedule, check, and change, but we're missing one. So let's add our leave feedback intent. We'll hit save. We also want to connect our leave feedback intent to an agent. So what we will do is we'll connect the block for leave feedback to set working queue. And for the schedule and check pickups, they get transferred to Lex, and then it disconnects the call once the customer is done processing. Let's now hit save and publish this flow. Great. All done. Amazon Connect also has an open platform model. You own your data, and you can leverage many of the existing AWS services to customize the business and customer experience by integrating with the backend systems such as CRM or your databases, or pretty much anything that has an API. Amazon Connect integrates with custom or out-of-the-box CRMs such as Salesforce. Amazon Connect can integrate with your customer databases or applications. There's also integration with the wider AWS ecosystem to further enhance and customize the solution through services such as AWS Lambda, which powers our demo today. Lambda gives you the flexibility to run code for virtually any type of application or backend service. And of course, there's the AWS ecosystem, which includes a large number of partners that can provide all sorts of third-party integrations, as well as system integrators and consulting partners that can assist you in deploying and configuring Amazon Connect. And your data is your data. For example, call recordings are stored in your S3 bucket, where you can control access and the lifecycle of your data using the powerful S3 toolset. You can stream Amazon Connect's detailed contact records using Amazon Kinesis to the data warehouse of your choice, and analyze as you choose with your tools such as Amazon QuickSight or Tableau. Lastly, the integration with the wider AWS ecosystem is the key differentiator. I will show you very soon how integrating a few AWS services, such as Transcribe and Comprehend, can allow us to build a very insightful and powerful contact center. Our Connect contact flow is now ready for testing. Let's get on a phone, in my case a soft phone, and make a couple of calls to test this out. So for this demo, we will test our newly added leave feedback intent. In this case, I have a customer myself calling in to the left of your screen to leave some feedback about the service. And we have an agent from the pickup company that would answer the call to the right of the screen.
Welcome to Acme Limited. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to leave some feedback.
Okay, I'll transfer you now to one of our helpful agents. Thank you for calling. Your call is very important to us and will be answered in the order it was received.
Hi, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to Acme Limited. I understand you'd like to provide us some feedback?
Hi, Michelle. Yes, I just want to say I'm very happy with the service I got today. It has been very seamless.
Fantastic. We are powered by services running on AWS, And that is why we can provide you the great service. Was there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that is it. Thank you, and goodbye.
Goodbye.
Great. So we have our call center service working quite well. Let's now see how we will integrate ML services into our solution. All right, let me introduce to you Amazon Transcribe. Amazon Transcribe is an AWS service that makes it easy for customers to convert speech to text. Using automatic speech recognition technology, customers can choose to use Amazon Transcribe for a variety of business applications, including transcription of voice-based customer service calls, generation of subtitles, and conduct content analysis on audio-video content. Amazon Transcribe converts audio input into text, which opens the door for various text analytics applications on voice input, including Amazon Comprehend, which I'll cover in a bit. So our pipeline continues to grow. I have built a solution where we will use Transcribe for all recorded conversations with an agent. So let's jump back into the console to show you how the feedback I just left with Amazon Connect has been transcribed. We are in the Transcribe console, and you can see I have two existing jobs, one for the agent and another for the customer. Let's click into the agent and see if it has captured the word spoken. Fantastic. We have seen the text with the different confidence levels for each of the word as well. Let's now head to the customer and see if it has split that out. Great. So it has done that as well. So Transcribe is now ready to be fed into our customer sentiment analysis service. All right. The final service in our pipeline for today is Amazon Comprehend. Comprehend is a natural language processing service that uses machine learning to find meaning and insights in text. You can use Amazon Comprehend to identify a number of things such as key phrases, places, people, brands, language, or simply understanding the sentiment about products or services. You can gauge whether customer sentiment is positive or whether it's neutral, negative, or mixed based on the feedback you receive via the support calls or via emails, social media, and other online channels, which is what I will demo soon. Let's now jump back into the console and show you how we leverage Comprehend to get customer sentiment based on the feedback that I had left. So we're in the Comprehend console, and you can see the words that I spoke as a customer has been analyzed. We can see it has picked out names and dates with the different confidence levels. We can see highlighted certain key phrases. We can also see the language, which is English. And we can see the sentiment, which is what we are interested in, which is positive with a very high confidence. Finally, we can also see certain syntax, such as parts of the speech, which you could use for further insight into your customer conversations. So our solution now has a chatbot, which is powered with Amazon Lex, integrated with Amazon Connect. We have prompts being played by Amazon Polly, our recordings feeding through to Transcribe, and finally Comprehend to get the customer sentiment. Let me jump back into the console and show you how we glued this all together in the back end, and also the dashboard that I created to easily visualize our findings. So I use Step Functions, which is our state management service, to manage the flow and complete the jobs for the transcription of the agent and customer. You can see when it is successful, it then saves the transcription to an S3 bucket. Once the transcription is saved, I then trigger a Lambda function to run the Comprehend analysis. And here is a simple dashboard of the sentiment that I created with Amazon QuickSight. You can see my sentiment over time for the customer and agent, with positive, neutral, and negative sentiments. So I hope you can all start to see how you can deliver truly transformational omni-channel experiences for your customers by leveraging AWS services. We showed you today how you can evolve from a simple chatbot powered with voice to a contact center and begin to gain insight on your customer conversations with Transcribe and Comprehend. I hope this session has motivated you to go and build your own smart contact center solution. To continue learning why customers are choosing to do their machine learning on AWS, please visit the demo arena and watch how machine learning is used in real-life applications. If you do have any questions and want to get them answered by AWS experts, head to Ask the Experts, and for any further information about ML on AWS, do visit the Machine Learning on AWS page as per the link shown on the screen. For those of you interested in gaining more confidence and hands-on experience with AWS, we encourage you to access the digital training built by AWS experts. Attend our instructor-led classes by qualified AWS instructors and learn how to design, deploy, and operate highly available, cost-effective, and secure applications on AWS. Validate your technical expertise with AWS and use practice exams to help you prepare for AWS certification. We'd like to thank you again for attending the conference, and we really appreciate your feedback as it allows us to better understand the topics and services you would like to know more about. So please do take the time to fill out our survey and let us know what you think. Lastly, we request you to please watch on, and more importantly, build on.